Do you remember when Arjun, Ritik Roshan, was standing in front of that deep blue sea in Spain and he was scared to sort of take that plunge? Well, letting go is exactly like that. Well, that is the hardest part, that, taking that jump, that leap. But once you actually do it, you realize that it wasn't that scary after all. क्या आपके साथ भी ये हुआ है that you have held on to something because you were scared of what it would look like, what would your life would look like without that particular thing or the person or the situation? I've also held on to friendships that didn't value me. I've held on to dreams that didn't serve me anymore. I've also held on to people, places, and various old versions of myself because it felt like, I'm just losing out on something. But then I asked myself, am I holding on to this because I want it or just because I'm afraid to let it go? Remember when Naina, Deepika, let Bunny, Ranbir, go because she knew she needed to? It wasn't easy, but it was necessary. Letting go isn't about giving up, it's about knowing when something no longer belongs in your story. It took me years to reach to this point where I can detach without feeling like I'm losing something. And trust me, it was not an overnight process. It was a conscious practice. Here's what actually worked for me. You can pick bits and pieces and maybe try picking what works for you the best. I showed up for myself every single day. I consciously practiced these things every day. So it's not something that you do just like on a Monday and then forget about it on the rest of the days of the week. So here's what I did. Number one, I stopped romanticizing my past. Like, yes, I get it, it was good, but it's over. And there's a reason why it's in the past. It's already done and dusted. What I can look back only and learn from that is all the my experiences, amazing things that I learned from it, the good, the bad, everything. Think about today. Number two, there will be situations that maybe a relationship ended or a friendship ended due to whatever reasons and you never got that closure. It's okay. Stop beating yourself up that maybe it was her fault or his fault or my fault. I also started reading these books that has genuinely changed the way I think towards situation, people and relationships. I started consuming content that really added value in my life, and I got connected deeper to spiritual practices and started applying it daily. So tell me, what is that one thing that you are finding it difficult to let go? Share with me in the comments, or maybe just simply reach out to me on Instagram personally, and maybe we can just chat about it and I can probably help you, guide you on a more deeper level. See, I'm not an expert. I'm just a regular girl who's just trying her level best every single day to see a newer version of me. And that happens over time. It is not an overnight process. So maybe if something is holding you back today, take this video as your sign to let it go. If you resonate with what I said, then I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments. If you like such videos, you will know there are more coming in because my YouTube channel is all about real talk, real experiences, and I just want to put my real self out there. So if you love what you see, then I would love to see that support from your end, and maybe you can just subscribe and like it, share it with your friends and family. So I will see you in the next one.